Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Well, Turnaround Tuesday was in effect yesterday with the soybean market leading the way higher, double-digit higher, over 20 cents higher on the day yesterday. You had some short covering, some bull spreading, and then, of course, just general position realignment due to the fact that we've got the WASDE report today. So, with that said, as noted, the USDA will release the latest round of WASDE estimates at 11 a.m. Central this morning. So let's jump right into it and take a look at some estimates. If you want the full range of estimates, log on to grainanalyst.com, click on the daily report, and we'll have the full range of estimates. But for today, for the video's purposes, we're just going to focus strictly on the 2013-14 average estimates for planted acres, yield, and production. So for corn, planted acres are expected to drop down to 95.825 million acres. Yields estimated to come in at 157.4 bushels per acre, and then production is expected to come in at 13.821. Those are all slight reductions from May's report. So if we jump into beans here, planted acres is expected to rise up to 77.788 million acres. That's about 500,000 acres over what was estimated in May's forecast. Yield is expected to come in around 44 bushels per acre. That was down slightly from 44.5 bushels per acre in May's report. And then production is expected to come in at 3.379 billion bushels. So with that said, remember, if you want the full range of estimates as far as U.S. ending stocks for 2012-13 and 2013-14 crop years, along with global numbers, check out the Grain Analyst Daily Report. You can find all that there. So with that said, be on your toes. The report comes out at 11 a.m. Central, and have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services. Strategies using combinations of positions, such as spread and straddle positions, may be as risky as taking a simple long or short position.